This week started very good, having a good class of health economics, but the weather wasn't good at all. Like, it wasn't surrendering on raining on us. But at least I got a good food, like, yeah, McDonald's stuff. And then went back to class, and the class was over, things were done, the Monday is done. Like, that's how time goes. I know previously someone said I always sit at the back. No, it's always mostly when I'm late, that's when I sit at the back. But the Tuesday was already there and Monday was already done. So you already know when I have a class in the afternoon, there's nothing else to do apart from going back home, doing the gym, and all that in one day is just so hectic since the weather is also not good. But also I got the time to play this game in the PlayStation. Oh, thank God, I also got good food, and today was another awesome day. So there came Wednesday, whereby I had only few simple tasks, by the way. Yeah, the task of today, Wednesday, was supposed to go to the immigration office, whereby I was supposed to do the fingerprinting, and also I didn't know the fingerprinting was supposed to book, but I did book, thank God. And also I had to go to an interview. For the sake of the environment, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show, but I'm not gonna show it, so I'm just gonna say that I went to the interview, which is actually awesome. It went all well, so thank God. So Thursday came in so fast, and the words were actually flying just like the words that you're seeing right now, and it was not much of anything to do rather than going to class and going to the gym. That was the whole day, and it was over. So Friday came in so fast, we had the classes and everything was done, and then also went outside for some shopping, did the good time buying some good stuffs. But I thank God I didn't buy anything, but I was actually very disappointed because on this time I need to really talk about this. I was able to buy this food, which is actually in not in bulky, but it was in a discount, but then I didn't know how they discounted it, so I ended up paying more than the way I thought I was supposed to pay, which is quite a disadvantage, and I am very disappointed. But I did actually ask, and the guy didn't listen, so I hope next time I'm not gonna buy that again. And yeah, just be careful when you're out there, and make sure you don't buy things that you really don't understand, just like what I did. Just make sure when you buy something that you understand, and don't buy something that you don't understand what it is or the price how it comes in a discount form. Just buy things. So now it's Sunday today. I have a plan of going to buy some stuffs, but apart from that I have a story to tell. And I don't know, maybe it's my perspective or it's my thoughts, but I would really love to hear what you guys are going to say about it. Like, what is your thoughts? So, short story, I want to try to summarize this story today of what actually really happened. Maybe I'm the one who got so sensitive about it, but I think it's good. No, I forgot something. Okay, we forgot again something. I forgot the ID. Yeah. So the thing is, wait first, I keep this stuff. So the big story is, I love making friends. I like making friends. So I met a friend, I met a person here in my dormitory, and the person, so I met a friend here in the dormitory. We didn't meet, actually it was just on the same floor that I'm staying. So then I was like curious, like just sharing some knowledge, like, hey, what's your name and all this stuff. And then yeah, that was it for the first time. I'll tell the story on the way. Let me just wait for the elevator right now, but I'll continue. So the first point is, we met here in the dormitory, we were on the same floor, and then that was very short, that was it. And then I'll continue. So the actual story behind is that I met this girl who is actually on the same floor that I am. I'm not gonna say the name or the other details. And then after I met her, I think that was 1 week from this moment I'm making this video. We were friends actually, yeah. And the next day, I think a couple 2 days, most of the times when we actually go outside, we will find ourselves that we are on the same time living out. So we would make stories while going to the bus station, and then she would continue with her business and I would continue with my own business, going back to school and all the stuff, blah, blah, blah. That was it. But one time come, and that was actually 2 days ago, if not 1 day ago from the moment that I'm making this video. Then it was I met her on the floor, then we exchanged contacts. Now we didn't ever exchange contacts before, so after exchanging contacts, then I actually came around, it was around in the evening, then we started chatting. Then it was actually I think it was 2 days ago, that was actually on the Friday, whereby we texted, and then she said bye, see you, have a good weekend. It was a Friday, so I was like, no, I don't think I'm not gonna show the chat though. I was like, no, it's okay, today because I'm gonna text you tomorrow. So like there's no saying of like have a nice weekend. But that was actually like it was just a normal conversation, I think. Then after that I realized that the next day I texted her in the morning, then later I texted her again in the evening, I think so. Yeah, in the evening. But then I realized that she was not saying anything. So it was on a Saturday. On a Saturday I sent her like stickers, WhatsApp stickers. Then also like later in the evening when I saw like she was not saying anything, I called. Then in the morning I found that oh my god, I found that she has left messages like, hey, stop bugging me and all this stuff. And I was like, what the heck? Like, oh my god, I was just checking in like as a friend, like what's wrong with this? Like, is it a bad thing or something? Or I don't know. Man, I don't know. Like that's how it happened. Anyway, let me know if you think that it's actually an ambiguous situation. But if it's not, let me know too, because oh my god, I feel so bad that like I feel even sometimes things like I think like on the moment when we meet on the way, I think I once met her on the way and she was like pretending as if like we never met each other or something. But anyway, that was just actually what happened. And yeah, that was the story behind. And I wanna know if I'm the one who's actually so stupid to like make this as a story. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section. I wanna hear everything from you guys. So before I forget, today I got good news. First, I received my NIN number, which is gonna be essential for the job application, which you're actually going to do that next week, starting from tomorrow. Today is Sunday. And then also another good news is that on our ECFMG process, we are actually done with this process of establishment of the account. We're now on the submission of documents, and then they'll have to like talk to my university so as my university can give them feedback. Then from there on, the next process will be requesting for the examination. So now it's just preparing this head for the exam, guys. I'm super excited. I'm so happy. It's gonna take a long journey, and I'm really motivated to do this. And we are gonna do this. We already passed, as you always know. We already passed. So yeah, I figured that no one is talking about this. So yeah, we're gonna do the exam, and everything's gonna go smooth. So see you around. So there are some letters that were written. You are IN0100 IN0100 number, things like that. All these letters, only two are actually making sense, which is from the bank, and also another one from my NIN number. The other ones I just check online, like it's not making any sense. It's just like some sort of like scam shit. I don't know, is it a scam? Should I say like it's just useless? Oh my god, they almost got me though. I was worried. I was like, what? I'm watching something that is, they're gonna find me? Like, what the heck is that? Like, who does this? Are they serious, these people? Yeah, that's it. That's for Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. See you next week. I think I've already told you the story. Let me know what you think is, I don't know. Just say something about that story, what happened. And I wanna hear it.